Welcome to 3M's industrial-grade spray adhesive products. Whatever your application, 3M has proven solutions to help get your job done. 3M spray adhesive products are trusted by professionals. Multi-purpose spray adhesives are designed to bond a wide variety of substrates. Heavy-duty spray adhesives are designed for tougher jobs and more difficult to bond materials. Foam and fabric spray adhesives are specifically designed to bond foam and fabric materials quickly and cleanly. Specialty adhesives deliver a high-strength bond on challenging substrates like rubber and vinyl. Maintenance and cleaning solutions make cleaning up easy. 3M makes it easy to select the industrial-grade spray adhesive solution for your assembly and bonding applications. Whether your needs are multi-purpose, heavy-duty, foam and fabric, specialty, or maintenance, we've got you covered.